Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Dogecoin update today, and we're going to dive into what is going on. And today I'm going to try to talk about what is in a lot of people's mind, that is Dogecoin still a thing? Is Dogecoin still a good investment? Okay, is Dogecoin been forgotten by so many people or not? So first up, I'm going to recap what Dogecoin is for those who are new. So originally, Dogecoin was the first meme coin, which was launched back in 2013, and the reason why they created Dogecoin was to only make fun of Bitcoin. Okay, that's pretty much how Dogecoin came. I'm not the one who made the rules, so I don't even know why they did that, but that's actually how it is. All right, now if I do see at the performances of what Dogecoin has done, look at that, man. This was huge, man. This was really huge, really gigantic, if you want to say. I mean, we had an incredible, what is this? This is almost is that like 2,500? No, man, I'm actually losing numbers. So this is actually 250x we're looking at. Okay, 250x. My goodness. Basically, that means $100 got flipped into $250,000. Oh man. Or is my math actually bad? No. 100 multiplied 250 is actually going to be, I think, 25,000. Yeah, $25,000, not 250. But that's still huge. I mean, if you have 100 that got flipped into 250x, sorry, $25,000. Wow. Wow. Okay, and 1,000 got flipped into 250,000. But now, you see, the prices right now have not been the very best. And I think that whatever you're looking at right over here is not something new. Okay, this is very it's like the very same thing that happened back here. Okay, we saw a very boring time back here for Dogecoin, right? I'm just actually telling you for reference purposes that this here was something that was a boring period. Now we're talking about from 1st July 2019 all the way up to December 2020. So basically, that is more than like 1.5 years of absolutely nothing more than just a sideways movement until we didn't actually see Dogecoin. So the last time Dogecoin actually took off was in January, okay, in January. And if we look at the history here, we saw the bottom in September and probably even in October. So October didn't do anything, but October is basically that month where things start to get interesting. And then we saw, November being huge green, December being green, January absolutely gigantic. Now, can this particular situation happen again? Okay, because we're coming into October, November, December, and I do know that October, November, December are good, and then you have the whole year where you just continue to make absolute move to the upside. We probably are quite close to do that thing again, because if this was 1.5 years, this is almost like 3 years of waiting, guys. Really a lot of wait. Now I do believe that we're going to see 70 cents, and previously, as I said before, 0.7 multiplied by 4 from the all-time high can actually give you nearly $2.8. Okay, so if we go 4x from the all-time high, you're going to get $2.8, right? And if you go like 10x from here, that's actually a $7. We could actually even get a $7 or a $5. I kind of think $5 is maybe a possibility. And if we talk about $5 from this current price, then that is going to be an incredible 48x that we're talking about. I think if crypto are explosive as they are, then maybe this is something that is going to probably happen down the road. So you also have Elon Musk, who is behind Dogecoin, who is one of the biggest figure. There are some few things I want to show you. So guys, this is the guy that owns Twitter. Okay, his name is Elon Musk, and Elon Musk also is the father of Dogecoin. You got someone who has 197 million followers behind Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is probably bigger than Pepe, bigger than SHIB at the moment if we actually look at it. Maybe SHIB is coming second close, Pepe is coming to the third or the second one, you might put like, but I still think that Dogecoin is actually still on top out of all these things. Now, to make things even more interesting here, there is this news that coming from Bitcoin.com news, and you can see that Elon Musk agrees to head Donald Trump's DOGE, Government Efficiency Commission. Okay, now this is known as DOGE, but I think the long or the longer word for this one is going to be Department of Government Efficiency. They call it Department of Government Efficiency, and the short for that is DOGE. Okay, and now you have Trump that is also involved into this. You have Elon Musk who is involved into this. I think the future of DOGE is, I mean, if you have one thing that you can really bet to get some good money out of, without a doubt it's actually going to be DOGE. And I think everyone must have DOGE based on my past 6 years of experience. Now, don't actually invest because I'm telling you to do so, but all I'm saying is if you're making a portfolio, make sure you do have some little bit of DOGE in there as well. Now let's get into a little bit of the smaller time frame, some few TA here and there. I've spoken about this some few days ago, and it does look like Dogecoin is still on the sideways movement, and it's moving just sideways like this. So eventually we're about to see a move back to the upside, which is actually going to be momentarily 0.11 hopefully, and then we're going to see how October is going to be. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.